Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create scrolling timeline animation using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project on InShot. I'm going to go to the video section and select new, and we can import the blank clip. Okay, just select this blank and click on the check mark, and then I'm going to remove the watermark. Wait. And after that, I'm going to extend the duration. I'm going to make the duration longer. You can customize the duration according to the timeline you want to create. Okay, I'm gonna go with for example 9 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to create the timeline. Go to the tag, select tags, and then I'm just going to paste the timeline I have just copied. Okay, this is the timeline, and I'm going to make it align with my background, and I'm going to create scrolling animation with the keyframe. We can move it down like this, and then add keyframe, and we're going to move it up. Okay, and the keyframe will be automatically added. Okay, this is the result guys, and I'm going to export this video. Right, just wait for a moment until the video is exported, and after that we're going to create a new project and import the exported video. Okay, and I'm going to put mask. Go to the mask option right here, and then I'm going to select this rectangle mask, and you can make it smaller like this, and then adjust the feather like this. All right, and you can click on the check mark, and then this is the final result. Okay, and with guys, I'm going to remove the watermark, and after that we're going to export the scrolling timeline video. Okay, and I'm just going to click on export. Right, and wait until the video has been saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling timeline animation using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.